producer. With us here, walking on the red carpet, Mr. Anupam Sharma.
Wow!
Along with us, we have SMM Asuja, a film historian. We also have a very famous actor, Mr. Kunal Kapoor, and filmmaker, Mr. Vivek Vaswani. I would welcome the guest and the gracing the red carpet. We also have Honorable Counsel General of Australia, Mr. Paul Murphy, and Mr. Asim Bajaj, the producer and the cinematographer. We also have a very famous actor, Mr. Pankaj Kapoor, and Mr. Zahan Kapoor. A big round of applause for everyone. As you can see, they're grazing the red carpet. And hosting them, Mr. Sriraj M, OSD Film, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India. A big round of applause. I would now hand over to Ms.
So very good evening everyone. The guests are here and we are excited to host them. A warm welcome, good evening and welcome to MIF. I'd request you please take your stand at the stage because that's where you stand today. And yes, I can see I request the complete team to come ahead. Oh my god, such great personalities in one picture. Looks like a dream, isn't it? I can see a lot of spirit today. And let me call upon the names that are present over here, the great personalities with us, to the audience as well. Are we ready? Yes, ready to rock the red carpet, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are here and the screening of a very special film, Brand Bollywood Down Under. Now, the name itself tells so much about Bollywood, so much about the film that we are going to be screening here. And let me call upon the very famous director and producer, Mr. Anupam Sharma. Mr. Anupam Sharma over here. Hello sir, how are you? Thank you so much, I'm good. It feels amazing to be here and you're looking wonderful, I must say. Okay, moving on, we have the film historian, Mr. Maybe I can see SMM Asuja. Hello sir, how are you doing? Thank you so much sir, a warm welcome to MIF. And we have Mr. Kunal Kapoor, the actor of the film. Kunal Kapoor sir. I'm so sorry. Hello sir, how are you feeling? Good? I can see the smiles on everyone's face. It is an amazing one. We have Vivek Vaswani, the filmmaker as well. Hello sir, how are you doing? Okay, we have Honorable Paul Murphy, Counsel General of Australia. The most spirited person right now I can see. And Mr. Asim Bajaj, producer and cinematographer. Hello sir. We have Mr. Pankaj Kapoor, actor as well. He's not here. That's fine. Let's move on. We have Mr. Zahan Kapoor. Zahan Kapoor, by request. Please come ahead. Please come ahead. Wow. The young champ on the stage here. And yes, they are being hosted by Mr. Sriraj M, officer on Special Duty Films, MIB, Ministry of IND. Sir, please, aapni stage par aa jaye. Okay, so my first question goes to the director. Mr. Stylish over here, I can say. So, you have been in the industry since so long, like understanding the journey of Bollywood, and you are showing that in the short film. How did the idea come into your mind? What made you? What inspired you?
So, it's a documentary. It's a feature documentary. As of 3 weeks ago, it's an award-winning feature documentary. We won the Best Feature Documentary Award. And this documentary is my and 25 million NRI's answer to all the questions in the West. What is Bollywood about? Why is it so colorful? Why do you have songs and dances? Why is it 3 hours long? It's a tongue-in-cheek look. We are thankful to Screen Australia, the Australian government, who take care of all us filmmakers in Australia. I think someone called it the best country for filmmakers to live in. So it's out there, edited by the Oscar-winning Karen Steininger, who co-wrote it. And the film is made by all these icons of Indian cinema, Asim, Vivek, Kunal, many others who couldn't come today, Farhan Akhtar, Fardeen Khan, partly due to traffic, partly due to summer being when all of them go to Europe. And yeah, and I'm so excited today, although this is not the target audience, this is the right emotional audience for me. We have got Australian representative in terms of the Consul General, his colleagues, and we've got the guests, cast and crew who are inside, who gave us generously their time, their archives, and their views on Indian cinema.
That's really very emotional plus a proud moment for us that at times there used to be times where I used to say it Hindi cinema and now it's a complete Bollywood where we see all over the world we are doing great and understanding that journey and depicting it into a short film is a work of art. So yes, sir, let me move on with us, sir. Sir, how does it feel to be here on 18th MIF? How do you feel? What are your thoughts on it?
It's the very first time I'm here and it feels great. Thank you.
The speech was short and sweet, but yes, once again, warm welcome. And thank you so much everyone for being here. I'd request any of you, if you could share your thoughts, how does it feel to be here? It will be pleasure for me to hear, for us to hear. So would you go for it?
Hi, thank you very much for having me here tonight. My name is Paul Murphy. I'm Australia's Consul General here in Mumbai. Great pleasure to be here for this event because we've been working for many years to bring about closer collaboration between the film industries of Australia and India, and we've actually signed an audiovisual co-production agreement just in recent years, and we're looking to have more and more films made in a collaborative way between both countries. So great pleasure to be here tonight. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. This also makes us understand the relation of India and Australia and how Bollywood is around the world, not only in India but also around. Also, the team member, hello sir, how are you doing? Are you feeling amazing over here? Would you like to share your thoughts? How does it feel to be on the 5th day where there is very special screening of Bollywood?
Thank you very much. So it's been a journey of 40 years for me. As an actor, as a writer, as a producer, director, distributor, historian, and now teacher. I think what Anupam has done is given us a very significant piece of work which will finally have great archival interest for future generations to come. It's a look at Bollywood and making the West understand what makes Bollywood tick is very important. I get these questions. Why are your films 3 hours long? Why are there songs? Why are there dances? Me and my colleagues have all come and participate, and hopefully we've answered some of those questions for you. Hopefully we have answered a lot of stuff that will make you say, oh, that's why. I think it's a very important film. I'm glad to be part of it, and congratulations, Anupam. God bless you. Hoping to do a lot of co-production with Australia, as I told Paul. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your lovely speech, sir. And let's come to Mr. Sriraj. Sir, how are you feeling today?
We are very excited with the overwhelming response of audience to 18th MIF, and we are eager to watch Brand Bollywood, which says Bollywood's growth in Australia and other parts of the country, other parts of the world. And I thank Anupam for my Consul General and other eminent personalities to come here to join 18th MIF. I wish we all will have a happy screening.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So many thoughts from all the people here from the team, and it feels amazing that such great personalities have come along on the 5th day of 18th MIF 2024. And without wasting time, let's move ahead. We are super excited to be knowing more about the movie, about the short film, the journey of Bollywood that stands between India and Australia and all around the globe. Thank you.
Sir, wait, we can take the photo for.
Come close. After photo we take a video also. Yes. Yeah. तो यहाँ देखिए सेंटर में सर वेट सर फोटो हो गया अरे एक मिनट धन्यवाद आप Started. Back up.
Rolling? This is something absolutely different. Tell us your association with brand Bollywood brand Bollywood.
My association, listen, I grew up in the industry. I am the third generation. My son is here. He's the fourth generation, in this industry. So that association is long. But then also my association with Anupam, who's made this documentary. I've worked with him. I've shot in Australia twice, for commercials. So yeah, there are lots of connections here.
How do you see the journey of Hindi? From Mumbai to Australia, mentioned in brand Bollywood. Now it's a brand. What's your view about it? It becomes a big brand now.
Well, I think it's great that it become a brand, and we've done well in Cannes this year. So I think it's something to be very proud of. It's something to be very ashamed of that most of the films that did well in Cannes were not produced by India. They were produced by foreign investors. That was not a great idea. We've made a lot of very good films in the past. We've been present in Berlin, we've been present in Cannes, in Venice, but without the publicity. So I think that's been a bit unfair to some of our seniors. But however, having said that, it's great what's happening now, and the fact that media and social media is promoting us even more.
What do you think the USP of this documentary is to the brand Bollywood? What do you think the USP of this documentary?
On this documentary, I haven't seen it, so I don't know. I mean, it's about our industry, so I'm dying to go and watch it. Thank you.
Some documentaries, but let me tell you, it's super special today because we have the special screening for not only 1, 2, but yes, 4 curated short films. And yes, as we mentioned, every day is a special one, but today it's a bit more special because there's a screening of complete 4 curated short films by Pocket Films, and we have the very special guests with us, the complete team of Cow Cow. Let me tell you about the 4 curated movies, the 4 curated short films by Pocket Films, starting with the first name, which is Cow Cow, directed by Mr. Dr. Swanand Wagh. Moving on to the Prabha, directed by Miss Simar Bhatia. And yes, the third film, I request the complete team to be here on the stage. Okay, the complete team is here. It feels amazing to see such great personalities, gentlemen on the stage. May I ask you all together, how does it feel to be here, sir? Is the energy high? Yes, I want to hear all together. Wow. That's what we call the strong personalities all together, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to give some more details about the movies, the short films that we are talking about to the people. Let me tell you, Pocket Films has got you 4 curated short films. And yes, we are glad, sir, you are here with us. The first movie that we'll be talking about is Cow Cow, which is directed by Dr. Swanand Wagh. Moving on with the second movie, which is Prava, directed by Miss Simar Bhatia. And the third one, directed by Mr. Ankit Abbas, which is Bahar Aat Chaman Prakash. This sounds really an interesting word, I think so. Moving on, the next short film was directed by Miss Pratima Joshi, that is Chand Saase. And here we have the team of Cow Cow, isn't it? So yes, ladies and gentlemen, let me go ahead. And Cow Cow, we have Dr. Swanand Wagh, the director. And warm welcome, sir. It feels amazing to have you here. And we are glad that you participated here with us in this festival. Let me come to you as we have so many questions with the incredible name Cow Cow. So this is personally my question towards you. When we hear to the word which is Cow Cow, what is one thing that inspired you कि हाँ इस short film का नाम ये होगा? What is something that came in your mind?
The reason behind this title Cow Cow, because it's so simple. I could have easily gone with a difficult title or something which has a deep meaning. But मेरी जो कहानी वो एक child के POV से, kid के POV से. So that along that title Cow Cow, इससे just आवाज़ जो आ रही थी, crow का. So that way.
That's really interesting. So I would like to name out all the names that is related to Cow Cow. Director is Dr. Swanand Wagh is here. Music director by Mr. Sankalp Zore. And yes, assistant director by Mr. Aniket Kalyan Kasture. And we have the cast as well, which is Ms. Devya Parthe, Ms. Pratiksha Kamble, and production head by Mr. Shubham Kadam. And let's not forget the director of photography, that is DOP, Mr. Rupesh Kotitkar. And yes, it is amazing. The concept is very amazing. Before you came inside, I was also studying about the movie, the short film that we are going to see. It's about a child. We have a kid in the movie as well. So the main challenge is it is very sensitive topic. When it comes to such topics where ladies are involved, there's something that we don't usually discuss outside. But in this movie, we are discussing that thing. So how challenging is it, or how do you get the strength, the smartness to discuss and disclose such sensitive topic, and having a kid artist, a child artist in the movie? How do you make it to happen?
Like you said, it was a really challenging task. First of all, to convince